Alright, we're ready to start the gluing the next two pieces on. You can see that we've cut this off here, and we've sanded this all down. So we've got to sanded both of those. We got our two sides here, so these are going to go on here like this, and then this is what you'll be able to take on and off the back of the head if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of repairs. So we're going to make sure we got our left side and our left side and our right side and our right side. We don't want to mess that up. So we're going to put this on here where it goes. And we'll check our alignment here. We'll mark where we need to put the glue. So we'll glue this side down. I'm going to let it set for about an hour, and then we'll put the other side on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Put this where it goes on here. And again, put your clamp on, put it on kind of loose at first. You just want to make it snug until you get two clamps on here. Once you get it on there, then you can clamp it down, because you want to make sure you keep your alignment where you have it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Now we'll set this aside, let it set up, then we'll do the other side. Thanks for watching.